Hi, welcome back to the next video in Miss N's virtual classroom. We are going to be working with Uno cards and doing a counting activity. So, Uno cards that an adult has already picked out, numbers 1 through 9, all the same color, as it were. And then also something to count with. I'm using Cheerios, but feel free to use really anything that's small that can fit on the cards to count. And the best part is you get to eat these afterwards. Apple cinnamon, really doesn't matter the flavor, but these are just my particular favorite. Oh, and also if you're gonna be eating the Cheerios or whatever you're counting, make sure you wash your hands. That's right, wash your hands. Okay, so look at all of these cards. Oh my goodness. They're just a hot mess. So what we have to do, our first job, is we have got to put these cards in order. So I'm gonna lay them all out here, and then let's talk about counting. So first up, we know the lowest number in our group is what number? 0. That's right, 0 means nothing. So we're gonna put that here. We know that this comes first. Right? Yes. I'm trying to think. Left to right, technical difficulties, spatial awareness. Okay, so on the video, 0. So I'm watching the video, it would be on this side, right? Whatever, you get the idea. Okay, 0. Next, let's count. Oh, this is just like the classroom, guys. Miss Means let's figure it out as we go. Okay, so we have 0, and then now we need to find what number? 1. So find the 1. There it is. Give me 1. Thanks. 1. It's gonna go here. So we have 0, 1, 2. Point to the 2. There it is. What number? 2. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. Point to 3. There it is. What number? 3. Very good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Point to 4. A little ahead of myself. What number? 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point to 5. There it is. 5. Start a new row. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we'll start a new row. Adjusting on the fly. I like it. All right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number comes next? 6. Point to the 6. There it is. What number? 6. And we can tell there's a line underneath it, which means it goes this way. 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number comes next? 7. Point to the 7. 7. What number? 7. You found it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. What number comes next? 8. Mix things up. All right, point to the 8. Boom, there it is. What number? 8. 8 is great. All right, here we go. The last number. Ready to count with me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. What number? 9. We're going to put that there. Fabulous. Look at all of these numbers, and they're all in order. Should we all count them together? Great idea, Miss N. Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hooray! You did such an excellent job counting. That makes me so super duper happy that I'm gonna give you a token. Whoop, 1 token. And stick around and you can earn yourself another token. All right, so what we're gonna do for this one, we're gonna take away 6, 7, 8, and 9. That can be our bonus round. We're just gonna focus on numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that you helped me get them into nice numerical order, yeah, we're good to go. That one's upside down. Great. Okay. Ta-da! Now we've got our Cheerios or whatever else counting that we need. Oh, look, there's a coffee filter right here for my last project. How convenient. Okay, so how many Cheerios do we need for 0? That's good because 0 means nothing. Big fat zip, goose egg, nada, zilch. So that one's already good to go. Whew, that was easy. Check it off. What number? 1. You're right. So we need 1 Cheerio. Here's 1 Cheerio, and I'm going to put the Cheerio on the 1 right here. Now, where I put the Cheerio is very important because this is where we put our touch points. So I'm putting the Cheerios like we would put our touch points. So placement is kind of important here. All right, 0, 1. What number? 2. You're right. 2. So we need 2 Cheerios. Let's count out. 1, 2. 2 Cheerios, and now we're going to put them on the card where we would put the touch points. 1, 2. Ta-da! What number is next? What is it? 3. You're right, it's the number 3. So I'm going to count out 3 Cheerios from my Cheerio pile here. 1, 2, 3. That's it, just 3. 3 Cheerios. And I'm going to put them on our Uno card just like our touch points. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! What number is next? What is it? 4. Good counting. 4. So I'm going to need 4 Cheerios from my little stash over here. Okay, let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. You counted out 4 Cheerios. Now 4 is a little bit tricky sometimes because a lot of times it's drawn like this with a triangle, and we usually see it with our touch points drawn like this, right? Our 4. So we're just going to improvise because that's what we do best, am I right? But we still need our 4 Cheerios, and so we're going to put on 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We'll make do. What number is next? What is it? 5. You're right. We need 5 Cheerios. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. La la la, 5 Cheerios. So now we're going to put them on where our touch points go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Oh, it just makes my heart so happy to see all of these lovely Cheerios in the places they're supposed to go on the touch points with the numbers, and to know that you are working so hard at home to keep your brains growing and to make sure that all of the hard work that we've done this year stays in our head. So good job counting. That was a 2 token video. So here is your second token. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Token number 2. Yeah, you're right. Well, that was our counting activity for today. And what I typically like to do for storing wise is I will use these gallon Ziploc baggies, and I will put these in here and Cheerios or whatever I was using to count. I wouldn't recommend eating those though if you put it in the plastic bag probably, but anywho, so I put them in here, and then I usually put a little note on the outside that says what it is, but I didn't bring any of that home with me before the school was closed, so we're just doing that. But if you have the means, usually what I do is I will, I'm just going to find an example, is I'll put like a note on the front out here, like this. Like this baseball. Anyway, as we start making more things and you start trying to organize materials, that's just what works for me. So anyway, counting, all done. See you later. Bye.